Cority One Online Training. Cority One, revolutionizing EHSQ management for modern enterprises. Cority One is a comprehensive platform designed to modernize environmental, health, safety, and quality EHSQ management for enterprises. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, it streamlines the process of managing and ensuring compliance with EHSQ regulations, helping organizations mitigate risks, improve operational efficiency, and ensure sustainability. Below are some of the key ways Cority One is revolutionizing EHSQ management. 1. Centralized data management. Cority One consolidates vast amounts of data from multiple sources into a single platform, providing a 360-degree view of EHSQ performance across the organization. This integration enhances visibility and makes it easier for businesses to track incidents, compliance metrics, environmental impact, and quality control measures in real time. 2. Cloud-based flexibility. With its cloud-based deployment, Cority One enables remote access, ensuring that EHSQ teams can manage processes from any location at any time. This accessibility boosts collaboration across different departments and geographies, making it easier for organizations to maintain compliance and take proactive measures. 3. Advanced analytics and reporting. Cority One provides sophisticated analytics tools that offer actionable insights into EHSQ data. Businesses can leverage advanced reporting to identify trends, make data-driven decisions, and uncover opportunities for improvement. Predictive analytics help organizations anticipate and mitigate risks before they escalate. 4. Compliance tracking and risk mitigation. The platform automates compliance tracking, ensuring that organizations adhere to regulatory standards and minimize the risk of non-compliance. Cority One also offers risk management tools that help companies assess and address potential hazards, protecting both workers and the environment. 5. Streamlined incident management. With Cority One, incident reporting and management are simplified. Employees can easily log incidents, near misses, and hazards from any device, facilitating faster response times and corrective actions. This contributes to safer workplaces and helps in minimizing the impact of accidents on operations. 6. Sustainability and environmental performance. Cority One helps organizations manage their sustainability goals by tracking environmental data and ensuring that their practices align with environmental regulations. The platform supports monitoring and reporting on metrics such as energy consumption, emissions, water usage, and waste management, helping enterprises reduce their environmental footprint. 7. Quality assurance and control. By integrating quality management features, Cority One ensures that organizations maintain high-quality standards throughout their operations. The platform helps monitor product quality, track defects, and ensure that corrective actions are implemented swiftly. 8. Mobile integration. The mobile app enables real-time reporting and monitoring, allowing employees to log data from anywhere. This mobility enhances user engagement and ensures that data is captured as soon as an event occurs, improving response times and decision-making. 9. Collaboration and workflow automation. Cority One incorporates collaborative features that facilitate seamless communication among teams. Workflow automation eliminates manual tasks, reducing the administrative burden on EHSQ teams and ensuring that processes are carried out consistently and efficiently. Unlocking compliance excellence with Cority One. Unlocking compliance excellence with Cority One refers to leveraging the Cority One platform to optimize and ensure compliance within an organization. Cority One is a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline environmental, health, and safety (EHS) management, along with risk and compliance management. Here's how Cority One can help unlock compliance excellence. Key features and benefits of Cority One for compliance. Centralized data management. Cority One provides a single platform for storing all compliance-related data, reducing the risk of data fragmentation. It ensures real-time access to regulatory updates, compliance reports, and audit trails, which helps organizations stay up to date with changing regulations. Regulatory compliance tracking. Cority One helps businesses manage and track compliance with a wide range of regulations, standards, and laws across industries, example OSHA, ISO, EPA, and local regulations. The platform includes automated workflows for auditing, monitoring, and reporting, which simplifies compliance activities. Risk management and mitigation. Built-in risk assessment tools help businesses identify and manage potential compliance risks. With Cority One, companies can prioritize risks, develop mitigation plans, and track progress toward minimizing those risks. Automated reporting. Cority One includes powerful reporting capabilities that automate the generation of compliance reports. This significantly reduces the time spent on manual reporting while ensuring accuracy. Customizable dashboards give a clear overview of compliance status, trends, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Audit trail and documentation. Cority One ensures that all compliance-related actions are fully documented with detailed audit trails. This capability is crucial during inspections, audits, and regulatory reviews, providing transparency and accountability. Collaboration and communication. The platform allows for seamless collaboration between various teams, including EHS, legal, and risk management departments, improving communication and ensuring a consistent approach to compliance. Mobile access. With Cority One's mobile application, teams can track compliance data and manage workflows from anywhere, ensuring continuous oversight regardless of location. Training and certifications. Cority One helps track employee training and certifications, ensuring that all personnel are adequately trained to meet compliance requirements. Cority One and the future of sustainability management. Cority One is a leading platform for sustainability and environmental, social, and governance (ESG) management. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help organizations monitor, manage, and report on their sustainability performance, ensuring compliance with regulations, reducing environmental impact, and meeting social responsibility goals. The platform integrates various aspects of sustainability, such as carbon footprint tracking, waste management, energy consumption, water usage, and overall ESG metrics. The future of sustainability management with Cority One. Data-driven insights. As sustainability becomes more data-driven, Cority One is likely to enhance its capabilities in real-time data analytics and artificial intelligence (AI) to deliver deeper insights into sustainability metrics. This will help organizations better understand their environmental impact and identify opportunities for improvement in real time. Regulatory compliance and reporting. With increasing regulatory demands around sustainability and ESG reporting, Cority One is poised to expand its features around automated compliance tracking and reporting. This will make it easier for businesses to stay ahead of regulations and ensure their reports are accurate and timely. Integration with IoT and smart systems. The integration of Internet of Things (IoT) devices for real-time monitoring of sustainability metrics, example energy usage, emissions, is a growing trend. Cority One could further integrate with IoT sensors to offer seamless data collection and analysis, driving more efficient and proactive sustainability management. Enhanced collaboration tools. As sustainability becomes a shared responsibility across organizations, Cority One may continue to expand its collaboration tools to enable different stakeholders, example employees, suppliers, customers, to work together on sustainability goals. This could include features for sharing progress, benchmarking, and collaborating on initiatives. ESG risk management. ESG-related risks, example climate change, supply chain disruptions, are a growing concern for businesses. Cority One may expand its risk management features to help organizations identify, assess, and mitigate ESG risks, helping them build more resilient and sustainable operations. Sustainability as a core business function. The future of sustainability management will see sustainability increasingly embedded into the core operations of businesses. Cority One will likely evolve to support not only compliance and reporting but also strategic decision-making by linking sustainability metrics to broader business goals, including financial performance, brand reputation, and stakeholder engagement. AI and machine learning for optimization. As AI and machine learning technologies advance, Cority One could incorporate these tools to provide predictive analytics, helping organizations optimize their sustainability efforts. For example, AI could identify trends in energy consumption, waste generation, or supply chain performance and recommend actionable steps to improve sustainability. Simplify workforce health and safety with Cority One. Cority One is a comprehensive platform for managing workforce health and safety. To simplify health and safety management with Cority One, consider the following key features. Centralized data management. Cority One consolidates all workforce health and safety data into one platform. This enables easier access to safety records, incident reports, and health data, making it simpler to monitor and manage risks. Real-time monitoring and reporting. The platform offers real-time monitoring of workplace safety metrics, which helps in identifying hazards and tracking health and safety performance. Customizable dashboards provide insights at a glance, improving decision-making. Compliance management. Cority One ensures compliance with health, safety, and environmental regulations. It provides tools to track regulatory requirements, manage audits, and maintain up-to-date documentation, reducing the complexity of compliance tasks. Incident and case management. The platform streamlines incident reporting, investigation, and case management. This allows teams to track and resolve issues quickly, promoting a safer work environment. Training and certification tracking. Quality One helps organizations manage employee training, certifications, and safety programs. It tracks training schedules, expiration dates, and completion rates, ensuring a well-trained workforce. Predictive analytics. With advanced analytics, Quality One can help predict potential risks, accidents, or health concerns before they happen. This enables proactive management of workforce health and safety. Mobile access. Quality One's mobile app allows employees and safety officers to report incidents, complete assessments, and track health and safety data from anywhere, increasing efficiency and responsiveness. Why Quality One is the ultimate tool for risk management. Quality One is considered one of the top tools for risk management due to its comprehensive and integrated approach to managing various aspects of risk within an organization. Here are some key reasons why Quality One is highly regarded. Holistic risk management. Quality One provides a centralized platform for managing different types of risks, including operational, financial, compliance, and environmental risks. It integrates data from various sources, offering a comprehensive view of risk across the organization. Real-time risk monitoring. The platform offers real-time risk monitoring and alerts, helping organizations quickly identify potential issues before they escalate. This allows for proactive risk mitigation, reducing the impact of unforeseen events. Compliance and regulatory support. Quality One helps organizations comply with industry regulations by automating the tracking of compliance requirements and managing regulatory reports. It helps ensure that businesses stay up to date with ever-changing regulations. Customizable risk assessments. The platform allows for customizable risk assessments based on the unique needs and risk profiles of different organizations. This flexibility helps businesses assess and prioritize risks based on their specific operational context. Integrated data management. Quality One integrates environmental, health, safety, and sustainability data into a single platform, giving risk managers a unified system for analyzing and reporting on various risk factors. This integration of data streams provides a more accurate and comprehensive assessment of risks. Analytics and reporting. The platform includes powerful analytics tools that help risk managers identify trends, perform root cause analysis, and generate actionable insights. The reporting capabilities allow for easy sharing of risk data with stakeholders, supporting decision-making at all levels. Collaboration and workflow management. Quality One facilitates collaboration among teams and stakeholders by providing tools for communication, task management, and workflow automation. This enhances the effectiveness of risk management efforts by ensuring timely responses to issues. Scalability. Quality One is scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether a small organization or a large enterprise, the platform adapts to the specific needs of the company as it grows. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed with an intuitive user interface, making it accessible for both risk management professionals and other employees who need to report or monitor risks. This ease of use helps ensure adoption across the organization. Integrated health, safety, and sustainability focus. Quality One focuses on not just managing risks but also fostering a culture of health, safety, and sustainability. This holistic focus on the well-being of employees and the environment aligns with modern risk management best practices. Quality One, driving data-driven decisions in EHSQ. Quality One is an innovative platform designed to enable environmental, health, safety, and quality (EHSQ) professionals to make data-driven decisions. It combines advanced analytics, reporting, and workflow automation to help organizations enhance operational efficiency, reduce risks, and ensure compliance. Key features of Quality One include real-time data collection and analysis. Quality One centralizes EHSQ data from various sources, allowing for real-time collection, analysis, and reporting. This enables organizations to track key metrics, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on accurate, up-to-date information. Advanced analytics. By leveraging advanced analytics, Quality One helps users identify risks, analyze root causes, and forecast future trends. Predictive analytics can anticipate potential issues, allowing for proactive risk management. Compliance management. The platform helps organizations stay compliant with regulatory standards by automating reporting processes and ensuring that the latest regulatory changes are incorporated into workflows. Integrated workflow management. Quality One streamlines EHSQ processes with customizable workflows. This integration helps improve communication, ensure tasks are completed on time, and maintain consistency across operations. Mobile access and user-friendly interface. With mobile capabilities, users can access critical EHSQ data on the go. The platform's intuitive interface ensures that even those with minimal technical expertise can easily navigate the system and make decisions based on the data provided. Collaboration and reporting. Quality One enables teams to collaborate efficiently by sharing reports and insights across departments. It also supports the generation of detailed reports for stakeholders, making it easier to communicate findings and track performance over time. Sustainability and risk mitigation. By analyzing data on environmental impact, health, safety incidents, and quality issues, organizations can take actions to minimize their environmental footprint, improve worker safety, and enhance product quality. Integrated audits and inspections made easy with Quality One. Quality One is a comprehensive platform that helps organizations streamline their audits and inspections through a unified, digital solution. It is particularly beneficial for industries that require rigorous health, safety, environmental, and quality standards. Here's how Quality One can simplify integrated audits and inspections. Centralized management. Quality One consolidates all audit and inspection activities into one platform. It enables businesses to manage everything from compliance assessments to internal audits, ensuring all records are easily accessible and up to date. Customizable templates and checklists. Users can create custom audit and inspection templates to fit their specific needs, ensuring that the process is tailored to their regulatory and industry requirements. This flexibility makes it easier to capture relevant data, helping to maintain accuracy and consistency. Real-time data collection. With Quality One, inspections can be conducted using mobile devices, allowing for real-time data capture during on-site visits. This feature helps eliminate paperwork and reduces the chances of errors or delays in reporting. Automated workflows. The platform automates workflows for audits and inspections, ensuring tasks are assigned, tracked, and completed on time. Automated notifications and reminders help keep teams on schedule and ensure timely follow-up on non-compliance issues. Comprehensive reporting and analytics. Cority One offers built-in reporting tools that allow businesses to generate audit and inspection reports in real time. These reports can be customized to meet internal or external reporting requirements and help organizations identify trends and areas for improvement. Integration with other systems. The platform can integrate with other business systems like ERP, EHS, or quality management systems, enabling seamless data flow and eliminating the need for manual data entry. Compliance tracking. Cority One helps organizations stay compliant with industry standards and regulations by providing tools to track compliance status and document corrective actions taken in response to audit findings. Why choose ProExcellency for Cority One online training? ProExcellency is a strong choice for Cority One online training for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often hires experienced trainers with deep knowledge of Cority One, ensuring that participants receive high-quality instruction from experts. Comprehensive curriculum. The training typically covers all aspects of Cority One, from basic functionality to advanced features, offering a well-rounded education. This helps users become proficient in using the software for environmental, health, and safety (EHS) management. Flexible learning options. Online training provides the flexibility to learn at your own pace, allowing participants to balance their professional responsibilities with their educational goals. Practical focus. ProExcellency emphasizes practical, hands-on learning, providing opportunities to work with real-world scenarios and examples that are relevant to your work environment. Personalized support. ProExcellency often offers support throughout the learning process, including answering questions and clarifying complex concepts, which can enhance the overall learning experience. Certification. After completing the training, participants may receive certification, which can be valuable for career advancement and proving your expertise in using Cority One. Proven track record. ProExcellency has a history of helping professionals across industries improve their skills in various software platforms, including Cority One. Their reputation for quality training can provide confidence that you'll receive effective instruction. Thank you.